JioFiber Relocation process. In this video, we will understand how you can place request for relocating your JioFiber connection from one address to another. You can initiate the request for relocation of your JioFiber simply by logging into My Jio application. First, log into your JioFiber account and tap on the sidebar menu option. Next, select Profile and Other Settings or select Settings from the list of menu. Please select Relocate JioFiber under Service Settings section. Now, enter your new address manually or use your current location. If you select Manual Entry, address fields are displayed. Enter your new address and tap on Proceed. If you see an alert, Service Unavailable, that means JioFiber services are currently not available at the new location. Please check if you have entered the correct location and try again by tapping on Change Location. If you see Service Available, tap on Proceed to continue. In case if you are moving to a location which has a different dial-in code, a pop-up will appear informing you of change in your Jio fixed voice landline number. Post confirmation, you will receive an OTP on your registered mobile number via SMS. After OTP verification, you need to click on the drop-down and select the Proof of Identity, that is POI, and Proof of Address, that is POA document from the list for upload. You may upload a POA or simply select Same as POI option. Before proceeding, please ensure clear images should be uploaded with both back and front page of the document. File should be in PDF format with less than 2 MB size and should not be password protected. Name on the document, that is POI or POA, should exactly match with existing JioFiber account holder's name. Now you will see the available slots for installation. Please select a slot as per your convenience and click on Confirm. If slots are not available, you can wait for some time and try again or proceed without allocation. You will be self-allocated basis next available slot. Please validate your new address and tap on Confirm. With this, you have successfully placed your relocation request. The details are displayed on your screen and you will also receive SMS notification. Kindly take a note of your order number. You can anytime check the status of your relocation order by tapping on JioCare in the side menu of the home screen. Enter the order number received on your SMS notification. Tap on Proceed and check the status of the order. With the help of JioFiber relocation process, you can easily shift the existing JioFiber connection to another location through My Jio application. Thank you.